I love these pendant lights that this homeowner installed in this kitchen just recently. You know, lighting is something that, if it's done right, can certainly improve the appearance of a kitchen as well as the way it functions. This is a great example because they're very attractive, but also provide some needed illumination right on this island where a lot of food preparation takes place. Now, almost every kitchen has a light over its sink, which is good because a lot of work takes place here, but you can do the exact same thing right under a cabinet that will provide light, very even light, all over your countertop itself. Now, a very popular way of lighting kitchens are recess lights, and this homeowner recently installed a few additional recess lights around the perimeter of the room, and they can do a couple things. They can provide task lighting for a particular area of your countertop, but with them being installed around the perimeter of this kitchen, it also kind of evens the light out quite a bit. So that has certainly made a difference in this kitchen.